Hi students, good morning. I am Sangeeta from DHSS. I hope everybody is fine and safe. Today in this video, we are going to see 9th Standard English Unit 3 drama Old Man River, written by Dorothy Dumming. சீன் டூவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோன்னா 1 hour லேட்டர் அப்புறமா என்ன நடந்துச்சு. நைட் எதுவுமே இல்லை, எல்லா சில்ட்ரன்ஸும் ஒரு இடத்துல சேஃபாக உட்காந்துருக்காங்க. வெள்ளமும் என்ன வந்துச்சு, அதிகமாக வந்துடுச்சு. ஸோ எமி அவங்க ஃபாதர்ஸோட புக்ஸ் அண்ட் மதரோட ஜுவல் கேஸ்லாம் எடுத்து வைக்கிறா. உடனே ஜிம் சொல்கிறான். ஜிம் சேஸ் வாட்டர் அண்ட் ஃபுட் இஸ் மோர் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஃபர்ஸ்ட். ஸோ வெள்ளம் அதிகமாக வரப்போகுது, நம்மளுக்கு என்ன தேவையோ அதை என்ன பண்ணணும், எடுத்து வைக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபைனலாக என்ன நடந்துச்சுன்னு சீன் டூவில் நம்ம இப்போது பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், கைண்ட்லி லிசன் டு மை ஆடியோ. At the end of the section, notes will be given. In this previous video, I already explained about scene 1. Now, let me explain the scene 2. Before that, I could like to give a short summary of scene 2. Just kindly listen. An hour later, without any light, all the children tried to keep safe. Amy decided to save father's book and mother's jewel case. Jim says water and food is more important. But then Sarah fell off the steps ladder and hurt her knees. She was taken to the emergency Red Cross hospital. Mr. Peter and Miss Marsh recuse them in a boat. Jim and Amy stay and others sending in the recuse boat. Jim and Amy decide and wait on the roof. They feel happy about disaster committee from the Red Cross. Let me read the drama which is happen in scene 2. Time an hour later, setting the same setting which we seen in scene 1. Okay, Betty nervously, "Oh, come back, let's stick here together." Jim entering left in raincoat carrying flashlight. "Battery is dead. I waved it almost 100 times through. Maybe somebody saw it." Betty scornfully, "Maybe." Jim, "It has stopped rainy anyway, and let us start moving everything to the attic. Bring the food and water first, then the blankets. I will do carrying up with the ladder to the roof." Betty, "My new spring coat. I am going to save that." She rushes out left, taking a candle with her. Rose, going over to her sister, shaking her gently. Sarah, wake up dear. We are going to sleep in attic." Sarah, "Oh, where I am." Rose, "Come on." She helps Sarah to her feet and quickly wraps a blanket around us. To the attic. Exit left, leading Sarah and taking one of the candle with her. Amy, how to get father's most valuable books and mother's jewel case. And Jim, Amy, we will need water and food more than the books and jewels. You don't seem to realize. He is interrupted by cry from outside right. Mr. Peter, "Hello there, hello in the house. Mr. Marshall. Amy, they have come for us. Here we are." She runs to the window. Jim, picking up the that candle from the table, running to the window and waving it back and forth. "Here we are, in here." Betty, entering on the run from the left, carrying a dress box. "Are you rescued? Who is there?" Mr. Peter, still outside. Mr. Marshall, "Are you all right? This is Tom Peter and Miss Marsh, the Red Cross nurse. We are here in a boat." Jim, round, around to the back porch. You can get in there. There is bumping of the boat again. Hood voice, "Steady now there. I have got hold of the rail. Tie her up." Jim and Amy exit right towards the voice, more voice creating. And then Mr. Peter entered the living room with a light and lantern, followed by Miss Marsh, Amy and Jim. Betty, we are rescued. Come Sarah. Miss Peter, "Why are you children are alone?" "Yes, we." There is a terrific crash, followed by a wall of pain and a scream. Rose, stage left. Oh, Sarah, she is fallen off the step ladder. Come on, quick, somebody. I have dropped my candle and it gone out. Miss Peter, Miss Marsh, who is carrying a small black bag, and Amy rush off stage left. Betty, oh, I hope she has not broken her neck. Jim, get the first aid kit box. It is the pail of coat. I will fix a place for her to lie down. Mr. Peter, enter left carrying Sarah. Steady now. You're all right. More frightened than hurt, I think. He placed Sarah on the chair. Amy, placing the lantern near Sarah. I am glad Miss Marsh is here. Miss Marsh examining Sarah. Sarah is sobbing softly, saying every so often it hurts. Rose kneel beside Sarah's chairs, holding her hand. Jim stand in background with Betty. Sarah, it is my leg that hurts. Miss Marsh, yes, you have hurt it badly, Sarah, but we can fix it up and we will all get into the boat and take you home. You are going to be all right. She motions to Mr. Peter, Jim, and Amy to move to one side of the stage. Rose stage with Sarah. She has broken her right leg just below the knee. We can split it up with pillows and umbrella and lift her safely into the boat. I think we ought to take her emergency Red Cross hospital in the Armory. Mr. Peter, we can take Rose and Betty along too. But Jim, you and Amy will have to stay until we can get back for you or send some other boat. Miss Marsh returns to surround Sarah's right leg with pillows using an umbrella and cone along the outside to keep the leg stiff. Jim, that is all right. We will be perfectly safe upon the roof. Mr. Peter, we can leave you an extra lantern and a jar of coffee. Need anything else? Amy, only some of your calmness. We will all right. Thanks. Mr. Peter, don't thank me. Thanks, Red Cross. He goes over to Sarah and help lift her into the blankets roll to form a stitches. Miss Marsh picks up her bag. Jim and Mr. Peter lift and carry Sarah towards the right. We can swing her down into a boat very easily. I won't hurt a bit, Sarah. Get your things. Rose and Betty, you are going with us. Rose and Betty grab theirs. Coat. Betty takes her dress box. Sarah, drowsily. Miss Marsh gave me something to stop the hurt. It has almost gone. Amy, at the door, dropping a kiss on Sarah's forehead as they carry her out. That's fine, dear. Have a nice boat ride. She waves as the stitches goes out, followed by Rose and Betty. Try to get words to mother that we are all right. Betty and to Jim's family too. Betty, I will try. I hope you will be recused soon. Bye. Rose, good boy, Amy. Good luck. Amy, good boy. There is more thumping, only less loud than before, and voice giving directions. Amy fuses with Latin, trying to get it lightened. Mr. Peter, off stage. You will be all right, Jim? Jim, still off stage. Yes, don't worry about us, good boy. Voice in distance, the sound of oars. Jim's enter right, whipping his forehead. Amy gets the lantern lightened and blows out candles. Water's dropping. He pours 2 cups of coffee from Mr. Peter's jar and hands one to Amy. Rises cup as throw in a toast. Here's to the coffee, lantern and recuse. I am glad we have a wide awake, well equipped disaster committee in this town. Amy, and a Red Cross nurse for emergencies. Thank God for the recuse. Both lift the coffee cups and drink. Still standing. ஃபைனலாக இந்த ஸ்டோரியில் சீன் 2ல் என்ன சொல்ல வராங்கன்னா, வெள்ளம் வந்து அதிகமாக வந்துச்சு. ஸோ ஃப்ளட் வந்து அதிகமாக வந்துச்சுனால தண்ணி எல்லாம் வந்ததுனால எல்லோரும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, ரூஃப் மேலே போய் உட்காரலாம், அட்டிக் போய் உட்காரலான்னு சொல்லி எல்லா திங்ஸும் எடுத்துகிட்டு இருக்கும்போது மிஸ் மார்ஷும் மிஸ்டர் பீச்சரும் வராங்க. மிஸ் மார்ஷ் வந்து ரெட் கிராஸோட நர்ஸு. ஸோ அவங்க 2 பேரும் ஒரு போட் எடுத்துகிட்டு வராங்க இவங்களை காப்பாற்றுறதுக்கு. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வரும்பொழுது சாரா வந்து லேடர்லேருந்து இறங்கும்போது கீழே விழுந்துடா. ஸோ அவளுக்கு கால் வந்து அடிபட்டுறது, லெக்ஸ் வந்து நல்ல டேமேஜ் ஆகிடுது. ஸோ அதனால் அவளை வந்து ஃபஸ்ட்டு என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, போட்டுக்கு ஷிஃப்ட் பண்ணி ரெட் கிராஸ் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு அவளை கூப்பிட்டு போகிறாங்க. ஸோ அப்போ வந்து எல்லாருமே கிளம்பிடுறாங்க. ஜிம்மும் எம்மியும் மட்டும் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, அனதர் போட் வந்து ரெஸ்கியூ பண்ண வரும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு வெயிட் பண்ணிகிட்ருக்காங்க. த எண்ட் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டோரி. Students, next learn glossary. Stamping, bringing down heavily on the ground. Picture, a large jug. Hawk, listen. Wink, close and open one eye quickly. Gracious, kind. 2 marks. What were the girls doing in the living room? Amy and Rose were eating. Betty was looking at picture in a magazine. Why was mother not able to come home? The bridges between the house and the town were underwater. Who went to get Sarah? Where was she? Jim went to get Sarah, who was on the playhouse porch. What happened to Sarah? Sarah fell off the step ladder. She had broken her right leg just below the knees badly. How does Red Cross help the children? Red Cross sent a member and a nurse. They bought a boat to rescue them. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comments.